Hi guys, welcome to Rosme Mobile. Today I will unboxing latest unique phone Vivo X Fold Plus. This is limited edition in Vivo. Let's go for unboxing. It's so beautiful, unbelievable. Wow. It have three colors, but this one is the red. One is the latest or unique color. This one is the original adapter. You can see Type C, and this one inside is only some paper and the Vivo X Fold card. And let's go for the charger. Wow. Red leather. It's so beautiful, amazing, but the design is same like before. The size and design, all is simple, only the color is different. And inside the software, Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. This is the latest software will come to him. Let's go for on and activation the phone. We'll check. You can see that red later. We need to first select the language, English. We'll go for the agree, next, escape, asking about the some password and data backup, but we don't want right now. This one you can select your negativation key, but I will select like this normally. A few minutes. Wow. In this phone, Google Play Store is working normally, okay? You can install very easy and very normally. Let's go for about, where's about? I don't say about. System and update. Agree, and next amount. Okay, let's see. After I didn't find about setting. Duration bar display. Here the RAM storage, 12 plus 4 GB RAM memory, 256 GB storage, and you can see the backup system information. And this one, let's go for the camera. Wow, the camera is so beautiful. That is amazing. You can see the front camera. Thank you for watching the video. First come, first take. This mobile available just only in Rosme Mobile. See you inshallah. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.